liquid.
Come down?
Yeah. Slowly. Alright, alright.
Straight.
Hold it.
Chop on,
No, no, hold it. No, I look right at you, man.
I'm gonna come down with you.
Hold on, the community fly right off.
I'll sit to have to shoot it on the other side.
No, we just want to make sure I set up on the thing there.
You want me to come to that side?
Yeah, swing over there, sir.
Let's see it.
What?
It's about to come off.
Now come on.
It's about to come off right behind your head.
The straps?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
I'm trying to
fixing-
get it on the side of the truck.
You
Go
gon'
ahead, a little more.
you fixing to lose you weight.
Yeah.
You fixing to catch all that weight.
No?
Come down, yeah, come down.
There you go.
Alright. Take it off.
Alright, yo,
Yeah, take off your man. Take it off.
don't shoot me no further.
No, man, I'm balance in about that thing.
Let's try that down to one.
Yeah, come on. Ready?
Come down.
Yeah.
One.
Come down a little more if you want. Alright, take it off and if you want where you want come from. You can come swing it on the side and come up on the truck.
Yes.
Come to my side. Just go up and come over. Come over here. Go over. Sige back over side naman ito. Yo, black side. Come naman